Today, I introduce our automatic plastic cup forming filling sealing machine to you. Please have a look. This machine is suitable to pack different kinds of packaging like this. Automatic form the cup and filling the product inside, such as the honey, cosmetic, butter, chocolate and biscuit, and chocolate paste. Different kinds of packaging inside this. By this machine, we're using these materials. This is plastic sheet. We do the automatic forming for the plastic sheet. We can use PVC, PS, and PET. And here is the top sealing film. It's for sealing. We can use aluminum or plastic film. Like this product. This is the plastic sheet. We do the forming of the cup by these materials. And this is the top sealing film. By these two materials and our machine with your product, then we can pack like this. And now it's my pleasure to introduce the running of our machine. Let's start. Here we install the plastic roll here. The plastic roll will be automatic sending to the machine. And we'll go to the heating device. This is the heating device. And here is the mold for forming. This mold we can make according to your requirement. Different shape of mold, make different kinds of product. And we put your product, want to fill in the hoppers. And we'll be filling from the nozzle. This is the filling nozzle. We're automatic filling the paste in the forming plastic cup. Here, we do the automatic sealing. This is automatic sealing device. Photo cell. So we can sealing the correct picture on each cup. And here is the scrap film automatic collecting device. And the cutter. From here we can get the end product. The machine working stable and high efficiency.